Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 11, 2025. Today's video is about Tocopilla Railway. The Tocopilla Railway was a mountain railway built to serve the sodium nitrate mines in the Toco area of the Antofagasta region in Chile. With a gauge of 3 feet 6 in, 1,067 millimeters, it ran from the port of Tocopilla on the Pacific coast up to a height of 4,902 feet, 1,494 meters, with gradients up to 1 in 24. The railway was built by a joint stock company founded in London and was designed by William Stirling of Lima, with a detailed description of the initial operation of the railway published by his brother Robert in 1900. The line was electrified in the mid-1920s and expanded in 1930 with the addition of lines serving new areas of mining. It continued operating into the 21st century, but was forced to close in 2015 when flash flooding caused numerous washouts on the electrified section of the railroad. With the declining prospects for nitrate, it was not economical for the line to be repaired. This photograph taken in 2013 shows a boxcab on the Tocopilla Railway, leading a train down towards the coast. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.